Hello, good morning students. Yes, today I am going to teach you tenses. All of you know that there are three kinds of tenses. There are three tenses: present, past and future. And there are three types of each tense: simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. In the same way, simple past, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. And at last, simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. And first of all, we will start the simple present tense. First tense, simple present tense. And in the simple present tense, which form of verb is used? In the simple present tense, base form of verb is used. Base form means first form of verb. And we will add s or es. S or es for the third person. Third person means he, she, it in the singular. And all the singular nouns, common nouns, we will add s or es in the first form of verb. Okay. And in the negative sentence is formed with the helping verb do. Do is used with the plural persons and does is used with singular persons and not, and the base form of the verb means first form of verb. And in the interrogative is formed with do or does in the same way, and but do and does both are helping verbs. So in interrogative sentences, helping verb is used before a subject. So before a subject you have to use do and does, and after that subject, then base form of verb means first form of verb. And at last, the negative and interrogative sentence is formed with do or does, and after that subject, and then not, and the base form of verb. In this way, simple present tense is used. These are the rules of the simple present tense. Now I will explain you the uses of simple present tense. The uses of simple present tense. First use is to express a habitual action, habit and custom or routine. Simple present is mainly used for a habitual action. What is habitual action? Means our habits से related जितने भी actions होते हैं, या custom, जो हमारे customs हैं related to religions और daily routine में जो customs हम use करते हैं और जो हमारे daily routine होता है, all these verbs or actions are used for in the simple present tense. Simple present tense के लिए हम इनको use करेंगे. For example, he gets up at 6 every morning. So this is the habitual action. ये उसकी habit है. This is the habitual action है he के लिए. I never tells a lie. This is also his habit. They usually help me. This is also habit or routine, you can say habit. I often play the football. Often play the football, it is the routine. And our school begins at 8 a.m. It is also routine. Some people bury the dead. Bury the dead means जो dead persons होते हैं उनको bury कर देते हैं under the ground. So it is the custom. So custom से related, routine से, daily routine से related और habitual action और habit से related जितनी भी verbs हैं उनमें हम simple present tense use करेंगे. Okay. So next is to express a general truth. जनरल ट्रुथ के लिए, जैसे ये आपका वाटर बॉइल्स एट 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस, दिस इज़ द जनरल ट्रुथ, वी कैन नॉट चेंज इट.